Meaning of attribute. Attribute, as a noun, means a quality or feature of someone or something. Attribute, as a verb, means to say or believe that something is caused by or comes from a particular source. 10 daily use example sentences. Use as noun. 1. Honesty is a valuable attribute in a leader. 2. Patience is an important attribute of a good teacher. 3. Her creativity is her best attribute. 4. Physical strength is not the only attribute of an athlete. 5. Kindness is a rare attribute these days. Use as verb. 6. He attributes his success to hard work. 7. She attributed her happiness to a healthy lifestyle. 8. Many attribute the painting to a famous artist. 9. The doctor attributed his illness to stress. 10. They attributed the delay to traffic.